Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the chilled room drawer in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a minute to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new chilled room drawer. The chilled room drawer is used for storage of meats and cheeses. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it breaks, making it impossible to slide it in and out. In order to get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the chilled room drawer, first we're going to pull it out, then I'm going to lift it up and take it out. This is the old chilled room drawer next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The new chilled room drawer goes in onto the rails and then you slide it in. Now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.